HPFF cable systems are the cornerstone of the North American underground transmission grid. Because these cables are rugged and reliable, they've been used in urban areas with great success, even under the busiest intersections in our nation. To ensure the proper performance of the cable, insulating fluid is pumped into the pipe and maintained under high pressure. But if the pipe is punctured or corroded, the fluid leaks into the environment, and your customers experience power outages while you make repairs, not to mention the cost of cleanups, fines, and replacing whole systems, all topped off with front-page environmental impact headlines. Southwire offers a much simpler and greener solution, with no fluid, no pumping plant, and no leak risk. If you're looking to replace an old or ailing HPFF system, Southwire's Epic RETROFIT solution allows you to utilize existing infrastructure. That means lower replacement costs, lower O&M costs, and a more environmentally sustainable solution. In most cases, Southwire's Epic RETROFIT solution meets or exceeds the power capabilities of the existing system and gives owners the option to run communications and temperature-sensing fiber optic cable in the same pipes. To begin this retrofit process, we remove the insulating fluid and section by section pull out the old cable. Then we responsibly clean up any remaining fluid. We check the pipe's integrity with an advanced electronic evaluation system. Any problem areas found are repaired. After repairs are made, new XLPE cables are pulled. They are prepped by removing the jacket and exposing the insulation and conductors. Then the cables are spliced together before being sealed, insulated, and secured in place. The splice is completed by closing and sealing the outer protective casing. The cables are pulled and secured in place at the power substation. The insulation and conductors are exposed before finally installing the termination hardware, completing the retrofit process. Because of this retrofitted solution, there is no pressurized fluid required, making Southwire's Epic RETROFIT solution more environmentally friendly. The risk of leaks into the environment and the potential headlines that follow? Eliminated. The need to maintain pumping stations? Eliminated. And all those millions of dollars in construction and excavation costs and customer frustrations? Eliminated. As utilities search for ways to maintain reliable power delivery at a reasonable cost, Southwire will partner with you to develop environmentally friendly cable solutions, keeping your company's O&M low and your reputation clean and green. Visit southwire.com today for more details.